Now you claim to live a quiet life. No more fighting for the cause. I can watch you in the morning light. I can try to read your thoughts. When our boat came on foreign shores, we did mend by hand the little hole she bore, and I row again. And then I knew all my thoughts flood back to you. And then I knew all my thoughts flood back to you. And I set forth, landing now between the rocks, the oars ran up on the beach, and we smiled and soared, and I row again. And then I knew all my thoughts flood back to you. Then I knew all my thoughts flood back to frozen pain, sea beneath the waves, but I can't make us two out. I find your name etched behind the frame, now the time we've long locked out. And I cast that pain out into the rain, say it's no use anyhow. We are not a tidal wave, more a ripple growing loud. And then I knew all my thoughts flood back to you. And then I knew all my thoughts flood back to you.